Welcome back to another video. Today we have a smoking deal on this drywall cut gun here with the kit with the 2 amp hour charger. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like key and the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTubers the platform by subscribe selects. So help out the channel by doing so. Alright guys, yeah, this is a drywall cut gun. Just the gun itself, it's worth this much. But this one does come with the battery, so it's like a free battery and free charger. So definitely check it out. It is a 2.0 amp hour battery, lithium. This is the charger there. All right, let's go back. Hopefully it'll take me back to where I was. All right, so $69 guys, down from $187. Limit 5 per order. You guys got 3 days, 8 hours and 15 minutes to get them before they sell out. $69.97. I'll leave the link down below in the description section of this video. And I did see this at the Facebook group, the Den of Tools. So big shout out to you guys for posting this first. And that's it for today. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.